My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. So today I am going to show you something that came in the mail about 2 weeks ago. But I'm just now showing it to you because I'm going to be trying it real soon. I didn't want to try it until after I gave you my results of this Youth Renew, the face cream, and this is the eye cream. The face cream is over here somewhere. But I wanted to try that for a week or two before I started this other product that I'm going to be trying. But I'm really excited about this because, you know, I really didn't have anyone to teach me anything about skincare. My mother didn't really teach me how to take care of my skin. So I've never really done anything for my skin until just recently, now that I'm trying different products. And I didn't realize that I had to go to a doctor, get prescription stuff in order for things to really work. If you really want to start fighting against aging and stuff like that, you need kind of medical grade type stuff, and I didn't realize that. So everyone keeps telling me that if I really want something to work, to go to a dermatologist and get Retin-A. And I don't want to go to a dermatologist if I don't have to. If this next product doesn't work, then I am going to do that, because I'm 52 years old and I'm starting to see the fine lines. And right here, a lot of people call these the 11s. Well, I only have a 1. I don't have 2 lines. I only have 1. But I really want to get ahead of it. I probably should have started this in my 20s, and who knows how much younger I'd be looking right now. But hey, I'm 52. I guess it's never too late to start. So what I'm going to be showing you is what came in the mail a couple weeks ago, and I've already opened it and looked at it. I'm starting with the lowest grade because even though I feel I have tough skin, it says don't just assume that you can handle the highest grade of this as you think you can handle. Start off slow, and then if you're okay with that, then go to the next level, then go to the next level. So what I'm talking about is I think it's a TCA peel. And so let me show you what's in the box. Here's what's in the box here. I'll show you this stuff here in a second. But this is the actual peel that I'm talking about. And these are a couple little freebies that they sent me. But it's by Platinum Skincare, and it's Glycolic Pro Peel 30. The grade is 30. I think there's 30, 50, and 75. I'm not sure. But anyway, when you first get the little booklet, it says Platinum Skincare Certified Peels Manual. So there's a manual, and if you're interested in this, you can go to platinumskincare.com. I think I might have a code for this. I'll have to check my email, but I think they sent me a code in case any of y'all wanted to try it, if you like the results after I do it, or if you just like the sound of what I'm talking about. I'm gonna look and see if there's some kind of code for a discount or something. But I thought it was really cool because this, back in the day, I think you only could go to like a dermatologist or a doctor to go get a professional skin peel done. But I bought this off of Amazon. And so anyway, it says Platinum Skincare. Congratulations, you have purchased a professional chemical peel from Platinum Skincare. This document certifies the type, quality, purity, and percentage, pH level, appearance, and manufacture date of this product for your reference. You will also find a corresponding sticker on your bottle with a matching batch/lot number. And it gives you the lot number. It's glycolic 30%. There's, like I said, I think there's 50% and 75%. I almost got the 50%, but I thought, no, let me start off small, start off with just to make sure that I don't get any kind of reaction or anything. But I thought that was really cool that it is certified, and you apply it with either like a cotton round, or I've seen a lot of people use fan brushes to apply it, but they also sent me, so here's the certificate, they sent me a couple of little gauze sponges that I can use. So we might try that, or we might try a fan brush, and then it tells you how to use it and stuff, and what to expect after using it. So you can do what they call, you can just do one peel, or you can do what they call, what do they call it? I don't know what they call it, but basically you kind of layer the applications. You do one layer, and then I think you wait like 5 minutes. Don't quote me on the time. I still have to read the booklet. But you wait a certain amount of time, and then you do the same thing. You apply another layer, wait, let that set in and dry, and then you can do like, I think up to 3 applications, maybe more, I don't know. But I've only seen on YouTube people try up to 3 applications. So I think I'm going to try that the first time. And what it is basically, it's going to, later on, in like the first day you won't see anything, the next day you won't see anything, probably like the second and third day you'll start actually seeing peeling of your skin, kind of like when you get a sunburn and you've got that dry skin on you that you want to flake off. Well, that's what you're going to start seeing, and that's what you want. You want the flaking of the skin to come off, because you want the old skin off and the new skin to shine through. So that's the whole purpose of the peel. And so as it's peeling, you can exfoliate very lightly at night, you know, to get the dead skin off, because we want the dead skin off, and we want to expose the clean, fresh, rejuvenated, youthful looking skin. So I'm going to read what's on the bottle here. So I hope it's not too boring for you. It does caution you. It says sunburn alert. This product contains an acid that may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun, and particularly the possibility of sunburn. Use a sunscreen, very protective clothing, and limit your sun exposure while using this product and for 1 week afterwards. This product not intended to cure, mitigate, treat, or prevent diseases. Okay, so there's the caution, but now I'm going to read what they're calling indications, which basically is what the benefits are of this. So let me read what the benefits of using a peel are. It sounds so good to me, so I hope it really works. And some people do Retin-A creams, and then the next week maybe they'll do a peel, and then they kind of switch off and on. But I want to see if I can get away with just doing this and see if my skin looks any better. But let me read to you what the benefits would be and what you might see if you use this. It says, refreshing of the skin's appearance, improvement of fine lines, is it sallow complexion, sallow or sallow complexion, uneven skin tone, so it's supposed to help with all this, uneven skin tone, post-inflammatory pigmentation, and roughly textured skin. It's supposed to help with acne, shallow acne scars, melasma, and keratosis pilaris. A series of 6 to 8 applications will be required in a consistent time frame. Glycolic peels can be used on all Fitzpatrick skin types. I'm not sure what that means. I should look that up, huh? Fitzpatrick skin types. I'm going to look it up and probably put the definition somewhere here. That's weird. I've never heard that. Abbreviated directions. It says, wash your face, apply 1 coat of prep solution A, gently buff peel onto the skin, let sit for 1 to 4 minutes, and rinse. Apply SPF 30. So I guess it's like 3 to 4 minutes, but even the booklet says that you can do multiple applications. I've already kind of glanced at this. I haven't read it completely, but I've kind of glanced at it, and it says that you can do multiple applications, and so that's probably what I'm going to do. But doesn't that sound good? Just to do away with the rough skin that we have. And for me, I get dark circles. I'm mostly concerned about the dark circles and the darkness right here that I get when I don't have makeup on. And Oh yeah, and the other thing that I'm really excited about is it's supposed to help with old acne scars, like pot marks that we have from back in the day of having acne. So yeah, any of us who might have possibly popped a pimple or two, you've got little acne scars, and I have more than one or two. I have them right here. And you can mostly see them when you're outside, or when I'm outside. Your skin looks good inside, then you go outside and the harsh sun light just, it kind of leaves shadows on your face, and that's when my pot marks show the most. So yeah, according to what I'm reading, these TCA peels are supposed to help with that, because it kind of just takes off a layer of skin basically, and if the little divots aren't that deep, I think it's supposed to help with that, kind of like we just read on there. It did say that it does minimize acne scarring if it's not too deep. So yes, I'm looking forward to that. When you do a peel and Retin-A and everything else, anytime you exfoliate your skin, it helps with our pores. It's kind of like you know, balloons that we buy, how they're tiny and small, but then if you fill them up with water, they get big. Well, before you fill it up with you fill up the pores with all the gunk and stuff, or basically water in a balloon, they're small, right? They're there, they're always gonna be there, but the more you fill them up with gunk or don't exfoliate, the bigger they're gonna get. You get all that gunk out, your balloon or your pores get smaller, and therefore minimizing the look of them. So I don't think they'll ever go away. Once you've got, you know, pores, or we all have pores, but once you have enlarged pores, they're there, but you can minimize the size of them and the look of, you know, to the naked eye. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using this peel so that I can minimize the look of my pores too. My pores are the biggest right here and on my nose, pretty much there. So here I've got the bigger pores, here I've got the acne pockmarks, and so I'm looking forward to doing away with a lot of that stuff, and maybe some of these little lines that I have right here that are starting to develop on me. So yes, I'm so excited, yay! So I just wanted to show y'all that this is what we're going to be trying soon. Wanted to let you know about it, and I wanted to get any comments from y'all. Leave them down below if you've tried a professional grade peel, and especially if you've tried this one from Platinum Skincare. Let me know what your experience has been, and if you've seen improvements in your skin after using it. And yeah, I mean, I think you're supposed to see improvements like within a week or so, maybe 2, because the first week you're kind of peeling and exfoliating and getting that dead layer off, that dead skin layer off, so that you can then expose the young, youthful skin of ours. That's what I'm hoping anyway. And I need to do more research, because I want to know if I can use it on my neck and on my chest, because I'm starting to get those cleavage wrinkles that we all don't like. But if it's not okay, I think it is okay. I think I've heard that it is okay to use it on the neck and the décolletage area. But if not, I'm also going to be receiving here really soon. I bought a bottle of it off of Amazon as well, and it's like an exfoliating face and body lotion. It was like $33. That's coming in the mail probably between June 8th and June 13th. Today is June 5th, so I should be getting that soon. So I've also heard people use a peel and then this lotion that I'm going to be getting. They'll do the peel one day, wait a few days, and then do the exfoliating lotion. I guess it like sloughs off your dead skin, this lotion that I'm going to be getting. And then they'll do the peel again, and then the lotion, and they just kind of alternate. Or you can alternate with your Retin-A, your peel, your lotion, or, you know, maybe you can use the lotion every night. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to read the bottle when it gets here. So anyway, this is a longer video than I thought it was going to be. It's already 12 minutes, and so I'm going to go ahead and end it. But I just wanted to let y'all know what we're going to be trying soon. I really want to get ahead of this aging thing. I know that we can't stop and prevent aging, but we can try to look as youthful as we can as we're aging, right? Alrighty guys, so I'm excited and scared to try this because it is an acid, so it's a glycolic acid, so I'm kind of scared to try it. I hear that there is like some tingling and maybe a little bit of burning, and I know that there have been things that have gone wrong when people have used it. Maybe they've used it improperly or they were allergic to it and it kind of left scars on their face, so that's what I'm scared of. I'm scared that I'm going to be one of the ones that is either allergic to it or something, and that it's going to leave a big old scar on my face. But that's why I opted to go with the 30% grade rather than the middle grade or the high grade. So, all right, that's what we're going to be trying, and if I find that code that I think they sent me, I will put it somewhere on the screen. I'm not sure if it's going to be a discount code or just like a code that you, I think it is a discount code. You enter it and it lets them know that you got referred to them by me. So, by Glama. Alrighty guys, so, alright, I'm going to end it, and yeah, I'm excited to try it. I'm excited to be out with the old skin and in with the new youthful Glama skin. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye. Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.